My name is Brian Mulliken. I'm an orthopedic surgeon who does hip and knee replacements at St. Joe's Medical Center. Orthopedic surgery is a fascinating specialty where you get to do a lot of things to help people, and most people who have orthopedic surgery from what we do or what I do generally get much better. So it's a very rewarding science to be in. Patients are always very happy to have their surgery done. I love doing orthopedic surgery because it's interesting, it's fun, patients get better, and it's very mechanically oriented, so you get to do a lot of things which are really pretty cool. Yeah, I believe Towson Orthopaedic Associates is the best orthopedic group in the area, the best surgeons, the best practice. We run a very, very, very good group. And St. Joe's Medical Center, in my mind, is the best hospital to have orthopedic surgery at because we take such good care of patients. From start to finish, patients are very happy they had the procedure done here at St. Joe's Medical Center. So I think the team here at St. Joe's Medical Center are exceptional because they take good care of patients. They're interested in doing the best they can for a patient. They're very, very interested in patients doing well. They do a good job. They're there from start to finish. I think everybody has the interest of the patient in hand here. They're very compassionate and they do a great job.